Salamat. Salamat king anak kong Congressman Mikey. At pupugan king kekatang Congressman naman king Butil Party List, Congressman Pitong Guanlao. At siyempre ing kekatang Mayor Rivera, ang po Vice Mayor Tuanyo. Secretary Cabral, thank you so much for joining us today and thank you for your very active participation here in our program. In NYC Chairman Richie Nalupta, and all the other officers of NYC, thank you for helping put this very important program together. And General Versosa, a very active participant of this program. And we have also from Guagua, Undersecretary Bacani, and the DPWH just showed us the module that will be used for their active participation in this program. Kaya katang board member Ketikin Distrito, board member Catalina Bagasina. Happy birthday belated. Okay. Karing katamong volunteers, youth service. Maya pa oras, karing kayanakan. Ngening aldoyti, susulong tayo in National Youth Service Corps. Para mamye obra, ang buong oportunidad, karing katamong kayanakan, edad 18 hangga 24. Ding our sandang formative years. In National Youth Service tamo, kalupa ning sinabi ng Richie na luptanan din, atin yang adwang parte. A National Service Corps and a Youth Conservation Corps. Ing metong, ing minuna, ing National Service Corps is geared to the unemployed or underemployed college graduates. It focuses on their contribution to education and community service program. So, dening kayanakan are recruited to undertake a service commitment natin DTAC allowance. Ing metong naman ing Youth Conservation Corps, composed siya ding out-of-school youth. Mag-focus la karing proyekto ng environment ampo infrastruktura. Halimbawa, kalupa ning sinabi ng Richie Nandin, mumura na, rainy season na, salamat kini Aldo Alia mumuran, o ning rainy season na ngeni. Panahon na para mag-obra na Oyster King Danom. Oning bansagan tayo ini, antimong organized youth stewards of esteros and rivers. Oyster naman. Kalupa ni sinabi ng Richie, maging lang amphibian component ning maragol a oyster. Linisan da ding kanal, ang estero. Reta mga Latina, ena kailangang makina. Linisan daing basura, at sana ituknan daing pollution, no ka rin dadalan ing danom. At sa kalasana makisabi, magumbinsi, karing makatuknan, karing gilid ilog, ang maging aktibong kasaop, bangkanita, lumbog, at saka ing estero, eya naman maging basuran. Baluyo king Marikina, kasing tingya ing river bank. Minikayat lang ing LGU karelang kabalen at maging alimbawa ning mabisang community action king waterway rehabilitation. Ita ing kakatamong model king project tamo ini. Patuloy tayo kaya ing importante patuloy tayong patnubayan ing kakatamong ekonomiya hanggang adyo. Salamat sa lahat ng mga agency na nakikipag-ugnay dito sa proyektong ito kasi Eta mo dapat masaol king global economic crisis. Patuloy tang mamungunan. Karigi katamong memalen at king katamong bansa. Ban siguraduan tamo impondasyon ding memalen para king masanting kinabukasan. Kaya sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat sa lahat ng ahensyan tumutulong at congratulations kaya nakan akasapi kikekatang National Youth Service Corps. Congratulations kay Kongan.